So, editing your videos using Minvo Pro is great, right? I mean, you can get those reels, you can get those short videos. But what good are they if you're not putting them out there on social media? Obvious question. And this is another huge strength of Minvo Pro, that it allows you to connect your socials to Minvo Pro, and from there you can schedule your videos to go out at certain times. Now, not only that, but you can also get AI generated descriptions and hashtags. This is super powerful because everything can be done inside Minvo Pro. So I want to show you this. If I go to videos here, a new little sidebar that has come up is it shows you the posts, it shows you the views, okay, how many videos you've put out in the last month and how many you want to put out. And if I just go in here, I can actually just click here and I can say I want to have 8 posts per month and I want to have 1,000 views per month. Okay, I've actually exceeded my goals, which is great. And it shows me the views on different platforms. Now, this is new. So let's just have a look at this. If I want to connect to a platform, for example, LinkedIn, I click on connect. It tells me to sign into my linked account and then click on connect. I type in my password, I sign in, and Minvo does its magic and connects up to my LinkedIn. And you'll see that these are everything that are connected here. Now, if I go back to stats, for example, it's going to show you the stats for the different ones. At the moment, it doesn't seem to be picking up LinkedIn, even though I have it connected, but that's okay. It tells me the comments and it tells me my most viral posts here, which is really, really interesting. But I've gone ahead of myself because I got excited. So let's have a look at this social element here. If I go into social, I see my calendar and I'll actually see all of the videos that I have scheduled. And you'll see that I need to schedule a few more videos. So let's see how I do that. If I go into videos, I find a video that I like. So for example, this conversation classes. I go into view moments. Now, what I want to do is I want to make sure that I have the right dimensions for that video. This one is 3 minutes and 33 seconds. So what I want to do is I want to go in here and I want to change this so that I can post it on LinkedIn or, for example, on YouTube. So I'm going to change this into landscape by clicking here. Now, hold on a second. That looks too big. So if I click on the video, I have this framing screen here and I can just say full video and that brings me back to the right size. I can move this up here and I'm just going to play this just to see where the actual, okay, the subtitles are here. I'm going to bring them down a little bit and maybe just expand out. I'm just going to expand them out here a little bit more and everything is on one line. Absolutely perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on export. I'm going to go post to social. And I want to make sure that I choose the right social here. So I'm going to say I want this to go to YouTube. It says because this video is longer than 60 seconds, it will be posted as a normal video, not a short. Absolutely no problems. I want this to be public. Now, I don't know what to write as a description. So all I do is I click on caption. And what this does is it generates a caption for me. Now, as you can see, it's quite a short caption, but it does the business. And now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate some hashtags. So I click on hashtags, and it goes and generates hashtags that it believes are suitable based on the video. And the last hashtag I'm going to put in is this made with Minvo because I wouldn't mind to win $250. Why not? And paste in there. And now I simply decide when I want to schedule that. Okay, so I go to schedule to YouTube and it tells me the times that I can schedule at. So I am going to, I've already actually posted that, but what I would do is I would schedule this for 2:45 and I'd say schedule on June 13th. And I would click here and that now gets scheduled. Now, I might say, well, what if I want to change that schedule or delete it? Let me go back here. Now, it brings me back to the main video. I go to videos. I click on social. I can go to calendar. And here when I click on this one, it comes up and it tells me This is the video and it's actually scheduled. And what I can do here is I can just click on these three dots and I can actually say reschedule or on schedule. So yes, cancel the post, and that post is now cancelled. So if I just reload here, we'll see that there is no post actually scheduled there. So my strategy here is that I would go in and I would schedule all of the TikTok vertical videos first. Then using the same vertical size, I would then do my shorts. I would do my Instagrams. Then what I would do is I'd get the longer video, post on LinkedIn, post it on Facebook, for example, and on YouTube. And what you're doing here as a coach is you're getting visibility on all these platforms, but you are doing it quickly because you have the video already created and you're doing it from inside Minvo Pro. Now, if you're a coach, if you are a language teacher, if you are a mentor, and you want to get better visibility, and you want to take all of those videos that you've already created, you want to take all of those webinars and start posting them on social, Minvo Pro is the one to get. And you'll find a link in the description. And of course, make sure that you like this channel, make sure that you subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks about Minvo Pro.